My name is Vinita. If you're new here, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss any of my videos.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So I'm finally back with a video on my channel after a long gap. This is my first ever international travel video. Basically, recently I traveled to Bali to celebrate my birthday with my husband because I love to travel a lot and wanted to make my birthday super special. So I thought I would make a video of my travel journey and share it with all of you. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you are new to my channel. So without further ado, keep on watching. We began our journey on May 20th from Indore, as we live in Indore. I was so excited about this trip because, as I told you, this was my first international trip. We first reached the Delhi airport in the morning around 9 am and stayed in a nearby hotel for a few hours. On the same day, we had our flight for Bali in the late evening.
Hi guys, we are at Delhi International Airport and अभी हम लोग इंदौर से दिल्ली आए हैं and evening में हम लोग यहाँ पर वापस आएंगे. We are gonna go and check in our hotel.
According to the airline rules and guidelines, international travelers must arrive 3 hours before departure. But I would recommend you guys to arrive 4 hours before only, because the wait for international travelers for check-in, for immigration and for the security is so long that the time will fly like no way. So it's better to reach as early as possible. To travel to Bali, it is mandatory to have the COVID vaccine certificate, travel insurance and the Peduli Lingdungi app on your mobile phone. These three things are asked at the flight counters. After all the formalities, we just walked towards our boarding gates. I literally just wanted to sit somewhere after standing for 2 hours in the long queue. But the closer I got to the gates, the more excited I became to simply board the flight to Bali. And finally we began to board the flight. We were traveling via Singapore Airlines. For every passenger, there was a monitor screen where we could watch movies, listen to songs, track the flight, etc. Also, in-flight meals are available for every passenger. But if you want a special meal, we can book it 24 hours before the flight through the airline application. One pillowcase and one blanket were provided. The weather wasn't good in Delhi, so our flight got delayed for 2 hours. On the flight, my excitement level was descending into sleep mode as it was already 11:30 in the night, and so I just slept on the flight. But as the weather was clear around 12 am, we took off. After 6 hours of flying, we first reached Singapore airport, which was so beautiful and big. We had a 5-hour layover in Singapore as it was our connecting flight through Singapore to Bali. It took us 30 to 40 minutes to reach our boarding gates for the next flight. But half of the time was already passed as our previous flight was already 2 hours late. We just had to wait for another 2 hours. After waiting 2 hours, we started to board our next flight for Bali. after flying for 2.5 hours, we finally reached Denpasar Airport in Bali. Again, the queue was massive when we reached the airport. After all the clearance and formalities at the airport, it took us 2 to 3 hours to do things like show all the required documents, stamp for on an arrival visa, clear immigration, self-declaration form, baggage, etc. After all this, we finally booked the cab at the airport itself through the Gozak app and we headed towards Ubud. But in between, we first stopped the cab to buy a SIM card that cost us 250,000 rupiah, which is around 1300 INR. It was 2 hours drive from the airport to our hotel. Okay, so finally we reached at our hotel. Our villa was in such a peaceful place that I could hear the sound of the water and the birds, which was so sweet and calming. After the vlog, I just took a long hot tub bath. It was so relaxing that I had a very good sleep after that.
So finally we have reached at our hotel in Ubud, and let me just show you the back side of my room. Actually it's not a room, it's a villa. It's a complete big villa in which we are staying. So there you can see the TV and lots of curtains. Okay, let me just show you. We do have a balcony over there. I'll make a separate video for Bula tour. So this is how I'm looking right now. I'm just completely tired, and so right now we are at our hotel. We are just gonna freshen up, we'll eat something, and we are gonna take a good sleep, and then subah hum log jaldi uthenge so that we can start our day seeing good places in Ubud, in Bali. I'm so excited, but right now I'm so tired. Okay, so bye bye. I'll see you in the next video.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.